Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about what are the top 7 homeopathic medicines for high cholesterol. So as we all know that cholesterol is a fatty or waxy substance which is present in the blood and that is required for normal functioning of the body. And the normal required level of the cholesterol in the blood is less than 200 mg per deciliter. And when the blood cholesterol rises beyond this limit, it is referred to as high cholesterol. And it doesn't show any symptoms until the cholesterol deposits in the blood vessels. And when the cholesterol gets deposited in the arteries, the lumen gets narrowed and hardened, which is referred to as arteriosclerosis. And as a result of this, the blood supply to various organs is hindered, and this leads to several symptoms depending on the site and the degree of. And when the blood supply to the heart is decreased due to the narrowing of the carotid arteries that supplies blood to the heart muscles, they are carotid arteries, so it leads to chest pain and shortness of the breath, that is also called as dyspnea. And on complete occlusion of the coronary arteries, heart attack follows. And when the blood supply to the brain is hindered, brain damage leading to paralytic symptoms or memory loss results. So, homeopathy for high cholesterol not only help in reducing the high cholesterol level in the blood, but also dissolves the cholesterol deposits clinging to the arterial walls. The homeopathic remedies for high cholesterols are made for natural substances and are completely safe with zero side effects. And homeopathy has a number of natural remedies that are of great help in lowering the cholesterol level in the blood. These medicines act in two ways for high cholesterol patients. The natural remedies first help in reducing the high cholesterol level in the blood, and secondly, they have the inherent power to dissolve the cholesterol which is deposited that have clung to the arterial walls. So symptoms like chest pain, palpitations and shortness of breath, that is dyspnea, can also be effectively controlled by the use of natural homeopathic medicines. And the medicines that work best for the patients are always selected based on the symptoms narrated by each individual. Now, let's discuss about those top 7 homeopathic medicines for high cholesterol. So, as you can see here on the screen, we have provided a picture of the top 7 homeopathic medicines. Now, one by one, we'll talk about them. So, the first homeopathic medicine for the high cholesterol is Allium Sativum for lowering high cholesterol level. Now, let's talk about it. So, Allium Sativum is a natural medicine for high cholesterol levels. As this medicine is made from garlic, it is considered as the best natural medicine for cholesterol control, as this helps in eliminating the excess cholesterol from the body by raising the high blood pressure due to cholesterol deposits in the arteries can also be wonderfully treated with the help of Allium Sativum. The patient in whom high cholesterol is a result of excessive eating of meat can benefit by this remedy. The patient requiring this medicine called Allium Sativum usually have an increased appetite, especially a craving for meat. They also suffer from acidity symptoms like burning in stomach and acrid burping or belching. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe this medicine to your patient for lowering high cholesterol level if these symptoms are present in them. Now, second medicine for lowering high cholesterol level is Aurum Metallicum. Now, let's talk about it. So, for high cholesterol with rapid pulse, Aurum Metallicum is prepared from gold and it is very beneficial for the patients with high cholesterol levels. It is of great help in those cases of high cholesterol where the arteries have become hardened due to the cholesterol deposits. and where high blood pressure is present, that is hypertension. So the patient requiring Aurum Metallicum have a rapid and irregular pulse with the violent palpitations. The patient may complain of a pain behind the sternum, especially at night. The mental symptoms presented by the patient that hold a significance in selecting this are a depressed feeling, getting angry over the slightest contradictions, and thoughts of committing suicide. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe this medicine to your patient for lowering high cholesterol level. Now let's talk about the third medicine, that is Calcarea Carbonica. So for reducing high cholesterol in overweight people, Calcarea Carbonica is the best natural remedy for reducing high cholesterol and fat or overweight patients. An unusual or excessive craving for boiled eggs is present in these patients. Excessive sensitivities to the cold air and continuous perspiration on scalp are the symptoms that are always considered in patients of high cholesterol for using Calcarea Carbonica. This medicine is also of a great help for patients who complain of tightness or oppression in the chest, or a feeling of suffocation that is intensified or be complained of at night or after having meals. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe Calcarea Carbonica to your patients for lowering high cholesterol level in obese patients. Now let's talk about the fourth medicine, Nux Vomica. So high cholesterol in patients craving for alcohol and fatty food. Nux Vomica is one of the best medicine for high cholesterol patients who have an excessive craving for alcohol drink and fatty foods. Mentally, such patients are very irritable and angry. They are also chronic sufferers of obstinate constipation. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe this medicine to your patient. Now fifth one, that is Cretagous. Now let's talk about it. So for heart muscles, Cretagous is a natural medicine that acts as a tonic for the heart muscles that have become weakened due to the reduced blood supply to the heart as a result of deposit of cholesterol in the arteries. This medicine acts very efficiently in strengthening these weak muscles and regularizing the heart's action. Cretagous ranks as a top medicine for dissolving the cholesterol deposits in the arteries, and the patient requiring this medicine complain of difficulty in breathing after even the slightest exertion. Now sixth medicine, Baryta Muriaticum. Now let's talk about it. So for high cholesterol level in elderly, Baryta Muriaticum is the best natural medicine for elderly people who suffer from high cholesterol level and where the arteries have become rigid with loss of normal elasticity. The systolic pressure is always on the higher side in these patients, and Baryta Muriaticum is a very beneficial remedy where the cholesterol plaques have deposited in the arteries, leading to heart and brain affections. Heaviness in vertigo consequent to the reduced blood supply to brain can be tackled well with this medicine. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe this medicine to your patient. Now our last medicine, that is the seventh one for high cholesterol, that is Strophanthus Hispidus. Now let's talk about it. So for reducing extreme effects of the high cholesterol, Strophanthus Hispidus is an excellent natural medicine for reducing the extreme effects of the high cholesterol level in the blood. It is very efficient and safe remedy which can be used in old age to tone up the weak heart muscles. It also have the capacity to dropsical affections that have occurred from extreme effects on heart due to high cholesterol deposits. The heart affections that have resulted as a combined effect of tobacco smoking and high cholesterol level also comes under this medicine. And the other symptoms that guide toward the use of Strophanthus Hispidus are excessive palpitation, cardiac pain, and breathlessness. So this was all about the last medicine, that is Strophanthus Hispidus. So on the basis of these symptoms, you can prescribe this medicine to your patient for high cholesterol. So that's all. So in this video, we have discussed about the top 7 homeopathic medicines that you can use for lowering the high cholesterol level, depending upon the different symptoms. So that's all. That's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tension free. Don't forget to meditate and exercise every day, daily at least for 3 hours. And yes, thanks for watching our video.